Hi, I'm just here to let you know about a new series of shows MA are putting together called the huMAn Talk. Over the coming weeks, we want to bring you closer to the MA family and introduce you to aspects of MA that you may or may not have known about. These will not just be a series of training videos, although you may learn something from them, but a deeper look at all aspects of MA and what's made it the #1 choice for so many of you all across the world. We'll hear from designers of software through to designers of shows. We'll take a look at how the hardware has had to change to evolve to meet the demands that you bring upon it. And we'll discover just what keeps this family going when times get tough. And many, many more topics. So, we're really hoping that you tune in, tell your friends, like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of when we post more videos. But most of all, please stay safe during these strange and testing times. And we'll see you very soon.